get you.
What the? Ludo? You're back? Oh, Ludo's back!
Yes, I am!
I tossed you into the abyss!
She tossed you into the abyss!
Yes, you did. What?
Huh?
You have a wand!
You both have wands!
Okay, seriously, Marco, that's getting annoying.
Actually, he's right.
Sir Butterfly, you're coming with me!
Rainbow Biscuit! What?
Ha-ha! That's your rainbow punch!
Yeah. This is the worst wand fight I've ever seen.
Oh no, I don't have time for this!
Hey, we are done! Come back here!
Oh, seriously? Nice!
Star, the lid, it isn't holding.
Lazarus! Oh no! Lazarus!
Our princess, I give you a choice. Come with me, or die.
Unicorn Stampede!
Fine. Have it your way. It's going to be pretty hard to miss from here.
Star!
Ah!
Lazarus!
What? A book?
Now, read.
Unicorn Stampede!
What is that?
You did it! That was so cool!
Yeah, it was! And all I had to do was read from the book!
Well, my work here is done.
Lazarus. I'm sorry we hurt your feelings.
Oh, you didn't hurt my feelings. I have no feelings. That was all part of the plan.
What do you mean, part of the plan? Yeah. Why'd you lock yourself in the donut box then?
I went into that box on purpose because I needed to get to that candy.
Oh. Wait, why?
Well, how would you rocket yourself from a trash compactor?
What? I don't know.
Marco, I had to be in that donut box so I could land at Ludo's feet to trip him up and save the day.
Wait. So you're saying you did all that on...
Boom nugget!
Fine.
Guess what? There's a book.